Miguel, thanks so much for being with us.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, I'm glad to talk about my car. I've had this for 43 years now. Bought it when I was 24 years old. And basically, looking for a car back then to work on, have fun with. And in the paper back then, I was looking at Mach 1s, and 3 Shelbys popped up in one weekend. And I went to go look at all 3 of them, and this one's the one I bought. Back then, Mach 1s were just 500 less than a Shelby. A lot of the gas guzzlers, which we call muscle cars now, were basically being sold like crazy. After the second, third oil embargo, this is what I came up with. It was an ugly duckling. It wasn't running right. The person before me, he was my age, around that age. He drag raced it. So the drivetrain was shot. I was able to get it home. I mean, we ordered 2 axles, left and right side, to get it home, so I could put them in. And other than that, I slowly got to working on it, and I always kept it running. Slowly but surely, in early 90s, my wife told people at work that I had a Shelby, and they're like, "Those are expensive." And I said, "No, I mean," when I started looking it up, it'd gone up from a measly price of $5,000 that I bought it for, $5,500, to near $25,000. And that's when I realized I better start doing something with this. That's when I started working on it, and it's a 1994 paint job, and the engine was done back then too. And it's on its second rebuild, I should say. Same block. And that's 2-3 years ago. Now I drive it every weekend and have fun with it. And I like people to enjoy it and give me thumbs up if I'm driving, and that's pretty much it. And I always say, born to be wild. I've always loved Bullet. I mean, that's a 68, but still is like, it's a 390 GT, but still, Bullet's my favorite. The first car show I took it to was 2010, so it took me that long to get it done. Big thanks to Dean's Garage in Stanton. He's done a lot for me mechanically. I mean, he knows it all, and he's the one to go to in that area. That's all he works on, Mustangs and Shelbys.
So, thank you so much, man.
Very good.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. My
Appreciate
pleasure.
it.